Mr. Cliff has a question regarding gardenias. He planted them in September. He said they're yellowing, kind of looking like this. What I would recommend for gardenias, because they are acid-loving plants, is fertilizing with an acidified fertilizer. This one's a quicker release than that one, but they're both timed release. Also, I always recommend when you're planting new shrubs, use a root drench that has a mycorrhiza fungi in it. This one is liquid, so it's mycorrhiza fungi. It goes directly to the roots. This one, the granular, is a timed release mycorrhiza fungi with both endo and ecto. And if you do that, you will have beautiful green gardenias like this.